That Nupur is also around. हाँ
पहुंची वो बोली आ रही हो 5 मिनट
तो उसको
एक मिनट बाय बाय बाय
we just want picture together, no, please.
Yeah. We just do a picture.
Yeah. Can you do it here with the?
You want to do it facing
Yeah,
this way?
yeah.
Okay, come, let's face this way.
Hold on.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's start with the... Yeah.
Wait. We just...
ઓલું નીકળી ગયું
तेल पिया गया कर से गया
પેલું નીકળી ગયું
कर से गया
આપણા વોલ્ટેજ વાળે કેમ બોલાયું
In the camera once before you. Yeah, Poonam ji सामने. Poonam.
Yes. Shall we?
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Woo! Got it! Awesome.
क्या बात है.
Please, come on. Thank you. I heard. Thank you.
ले लो अपने तेल. What? Yeah. Everyone in my camera can just turn towards me, please. Hold on. Thank you.
Oh my god. 20. Yeah. Yesterday. I'm still trying to settle it. But I'm enjoying.
You're liking it.
I'm liking.
Which place exactly?
So this is that's Lokhandwala back row. There is this is very beautiful society. She gave me a pretty lovely look. Thank you. And please, I'm gonna come to this haircut. I really love haircuts.
Please do come. I mainly sit in the Bandra branch, so you can come.
Yes.
Here in Matunga, we have this is the 4th branch, and we've been in the line for over 30 years. So we are very glad to come to Matunga, and our main expertise is into nail extensions and hair extensions. We cater to a lot of celebs and also a lot of
A lot of people from all over Mumbai.
Yes, lot of people from all over Mumbai and even from outside Mumbai.
So what is now there's always everything just upscales itself, and now nails have really taken over. This is a very integral part of women's.
Yeah, because I feel like when your nails are not done, I think a person gets a little conscious while talking. Here, when the nails are done, you get a little more confident. You have a lot of self-confidence. So, and we
What
are.
other services are you in Mathura?
We'll be having basically all the services like from hair to toe, and our main USP is hair extension as well. We do a lot of hair extensions which looks absolutely like natural, like your own hair. I mean, the normal person will not be able to make out that one is wearing an extensions. So that's our USP, and even the nail extension, both are our USP.
What do you have to say? What would you like to say? There is a launch. Poonam has been part of the launch with you all. What do you have to say?
We're in this business for last so many years, 40 years, I think, more than that. So it's like being in it, and we're like every day for us.
You have been part of Bollywood, right from Kareena to Katrina to
Yeah.
Alia, everybody. Please tell us about that. That's like a...
Yeah, so we have a lot of celebs with us, like Alia Bhatt and Pariniti Chopra, even Priyanka Chopra whenever she's down. And we've done Deepika Padukone, Aishwarya, a lot of celebrities. These are just a few to name. And we...
You excel in nails now.
Yeah, our main this thing is nail extensions, because we like to make it look like really natural. Although mine, you can say like they look like claws, but if you see from the base, and people do ask like, are they natural nails or they are, they...
Can you see? Take a look at your nails.
Yeah, they look too perfect to be, like... yeah. So...
Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you a lot. Yeah.
Firstly, Poonam ji, थोड़ा सा ये कैमरा में, what would you like to say about this place, and the hairs are also looking very good.
First of all, I'm quite excited. It's a very, very gorgeous place, and I've just done a little bit of my hair, and my hair is looking beautiful. I'm really looking forward to do my nails here,
When it comes to style, you like one fashion icon, hair, be it, dressing sense, it's always like, it has its own beauty and charm, So what is fashion, beauty, grooming, all that mean to you?
Fashion, beauty. I mean, fashion is. It's a very beautiful thing. It just, in my case, I'm quite experimental, so I don't stop myself. I don't have one certain pattern. No, I'm experimental in every angle, whichever way. If possibly a green color nail polish or blue color, so I play around with colors a lot. So yeah, I think fashion is all about experimenting.
पूनम जी, हमने काफी बार देखा आपको फैशन में, काफी डिफरेंट आउटफिट में भी देखा. You always look very beautiful.
you.
But what's the secret behind your beauty?
Vada pav. I eat. I'm being honest. I could have said, oh my God, I work out like 3 hours a day. I can always say that, because to get my body, that's what people think. Oh, she must be working out 3 hours a day. They say, no, I do work out. It's not that I don't. I do work out, but definitely no 3 hours a day. I know people who work out that much. I can't. I'm too lazy for that. I do prefer eating. I prefer working out. I prefer all that. So yeah.
Poonam ji, this year you gave an independent song with Karan, which went very good.
Thank you.
काफी इंटरेस्टिंग गाना था. आप काफी ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे थे.
Thank you.
नए साल की भी शुरुआत होने वाली. किस तरह से नए साल की शुरुआत पूनम जी मनाएगी, और क्या है क्रिसमस के प्लानिंग पूनम जी के?
देखिए 2022 सबसे पहले तो इस साल ने इतना कुछ दिया है मुझे. इस साल ने मतलब बैक टू बैक बहुत अच्छे काम मिले मुझे. लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया. बहुत ही मतलब जैसे लोगों को पता ही नहीं था मेरे बारे में. पिछले 10 साल के बाद लॉकअप के बाद लोगों ने मुझे जानना, समझना और बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद किया. आई एम एंजॉयिंग दैट. बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ 2022 की, अभी 2023 आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट, बिल्कुल आप लोगों की तरह जैसे एक्साइटेड हूँ।
लॉकअप 2 की भी शुरुआत होने वाली है, बट बिग बॉस पे आपको नहीं देखा तो काफ़ी फैंस नाराज भी हुए,
देखोगे ना, देखोगे अभी लॉकअप से 3 महीना अंदर लॉकअप में बैठ के निकले, डायरेक्टली कैसे बिग बॉस में घुसे, मतलब
क्या फॉलो करवा रहे हो इस बार का बिग बॉस?
नहीं, मैं अभी honestly I'm actually just moving here, just shifting and doing other
Yes.
things, so my head is somewhere else
Abdu is
altogether.
playing really well, but इस बार इविक्शन होगी, उनकी अनफॉर्चुनेट इविक्ट हो गए वो, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
I haven't seen that part, so I cannot comment on that. I'm gonna have a look and I will comment on that.
Yes.
So thank you.
Lastly, any upcoming project from your side?
Yes. There are.
लॉकअप 2 में हम आपको देख पाएंगे फिर से?
बहुत जल्दी है मेरे भाई। 3 महीने मस्ती करके आई हूँ मैं अंदर, सब मस्ती कर लिया, अभी नहीं देखोगे, अभी वक्त है।
Thank you.
लॉकअप में तो अभी वक्त है, unless and until they want me back. I don't mind going as a wild card entry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
एक मिनट सर।
Amrita, you're looking gorgeous as always. आज आप यहाँ आए हैं for Glory's launch. What would you like to say?
I really want to wish Leena and Teresa all the very best. Glory is very, very famous for their nails, and I'm very happy that they've come to my area. I live here in Matunga, and I have somebody. Every time I'll come here and get my nails done, it was a little painful for me to go all the way to Bandra, and they're always full. So I'm pretty excited now. I'll have space and I can do up my nails and look even better.
इसके अलावा ब्यूटी के बारे में बात करें, what is the secret behind your beauty?
I think you need to be happy. खुशी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, तो अगर आप अंदर से खुश हो तो आपके चेहरे पे दिखता है। बाकी ब्यूटी लाइज इन द आइज ऑफ द बीहोल्डर जैसे बोलते हैं, बट अच्छा खाओ, स्वस्थ खाओ, खुश रहो, वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है।
इसके अलावा बिग बॉस कितना फॉलो कर पा रहे हो?
मैं बिग बॉस नहीं फॉलो करती हूँ, बट लेट्स होप, आई विश जो भी अच्छा कंटेस्टेंट हो वो जीते, और हम एक्साइटिंग करते रहे। मैंने फ्रैंकली ये साल के कोई भी कंटेस्टेंट्स देखे ही नहीं, मैंने बिग बॉस देखा ही नहीं है, तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है कौन है बिग बॉस में, बट इट्स अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग शो। आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम नॉट वॉचिंग इट दिस ईयर, प्रॉबेबली बहुत काम है, अभी कोविड के बाद सब लोग को बहुत काम आ रहा है और हम सब बिजी हो गए अपने लाइफ में, बट आई विश the Big Boss contestants all the very best. Whoever is the best win.
Any upcoming project?
There are a couple of web series बातें चल रही है, so hopefully by Jan Feb I should start working. And after the baby 2 साल मैंने break लिया है, तो मुझे भी I want to come back with a bang.
Yes, you will.
Thank you so much.
Yes, so Christmas is also going to come. New Year भी आने वाला है, क्या कुछ विशेष देना चाहोगे?
तो अभी पार्टी लाइफ शुरू हो गई है, अभी 15-20 दिन सबको एंजॉय करना है, सो आई जस्ट वांट टू विश ऑल द व्यूअर्स अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एंड मेरी क्रिसमस टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस. हैव अ फैंटास्टिक व्हाट डू यू कॉल वेकेशन एंड एंजॉय योरसेल्व्स.
Thank you.
In fact, whether it's grooming or whether it is going to a salon, we all think that it's a luxury, it's expensive, etc. For me, it's a way to a beautiful, healthier, happier life. If it is something which makes you feel happy, we must go and do it. So I wish Teresa and Leena and Winston, an even more successful career and successful journey in this beautiful business of making others feel special, others feel happier, others feel healthier. Yeah, and especially in the kind of times we are surrounded by the challenges in our day-to-day lives. The best way to de-stress yourself is just lose it at any of the Glory salons. So wish them all the best. I'm given to understand that this is the fourth one, right? And I'm sure it's not very far. The day is not very far when we're going to hear that the dozen, they've finished a dozen plus salons. So they're growing very rapidly, and they're growing because their customers are feeling special. The patronage is increasing. So I wish them all the best, and I wish their journey continues. Thank you. Thank you.
Launch of Glory in Matunga, what do you have to say?
I am super excited. See, I've already done the tinsel in my hair, so it's already a Christmas feel. I am really loving the vibe here. Everything is so beautiful and so nice, and I think this is the place where every girl should be here for all the, prep up for your celebrations.
What's fashion for you?
Fashion is anything where I am very comfortable. Like whatever, like I've just done this tinsel and I'm really liking it, so I'm enjoying it. As long as I'm enjoying what I'm wearing and what I'm doing, I'm happy about it.
And whenever you go out for a party,
Yeah.
what is the one thing that you would love to wear an outfit?
I love to wear. There's no specific. It's always like आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, कैसे जा रहे हो. So depends on that. But anything which is comfortable. Like I love wearing leather. Like since winters are here, so leather is really nice. But definitely not the animal one, the artificial one. So that is really cool. It's keep you warm and you're stylish at the same time.
Anything coming up? Any project?
Yes, I have a song coming very soon for the release after the Christmas, and I have a web series coming. So yeah, two things.
Would you like to say something about the web series?
Oh no, let it come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What would you like to say about the place? And you just did some hair games. How was it?
Yeah, so all the best to Team Glory. I'm visiting them for the first time, and I can see they have a wide range of services which they are providing. In fact, I could not resist, and I got something done already. This is called hair tinsels, and I'm already party ready. So I tell it to everyone that go to Glory and get your party avatar, be ready for this season.
And Christmas is also coming up. How would you suggest people to come here and do such kind of stuff?
That's what I already said. I'm already party ready. So अब जितने भी festivals आ रहे हैं back to back, like be it Christmas, New Year's, like Valentine's. There are so many things coming up, and it's anyway a party season. So आप जल्दी से Glory पे आइए and यहाँ की services avail कीजिए.
And बात मैं करूँ Christmas की क्या planning है आपकी? कुछ पार्टी किस तरह से आप करने वाले हो?
मैं लोगों को पार्टी करवाती हूँ. So मेरे खुद के events है, and I'm performing since I'm a vocalist. I have my own live band. So मेरा शो है Christmas का जहाँ पे मैं लोगों को पार्टी करवाऊँगी, and इसलिए मैंने ये वाला ढिंचैक वाला लगवाया ताकि एक बहुत अच्छा सा glittery feel दे रहा है, and I'm loving it.
And Big Boss कितना follow कर पा रहे हो? शिव ठाकरे Do you know him? I guess.
I only know Srijita because she's a friend and Shaleen also, but I follow it on and off. But I'm not a regular Big Boss watcher. I follow it on the portals. Yes, yes.
आपने देखा होगा
Yes.
कि बातचीत हुई है Big Boss
नहीं, मेरी ऐसा सच बातचीत नहीं हुई है. श्रीजिता और मैं एक सीरियल किया था मैंने स्टार 1 के लिए कॉल्ड अनु की हो गई वाह भाई वाह. उसमें वी वर टुगेदर, so we know each other like very well, but we don't talk on everyday basis. But I'm following it on and off.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so I wish Team Glory and the owners all the very best once again. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They were of no use. They were of no use. It's just building a looks like team of 20 people, but shit, bad, nothing at all. Because all they want, yeah, like they were good in their work. But in fact, I am a very professional team, like good team, good shooters. So we are good shooters, but then we are busy into something else also. So it's too much stress. Like I don't want to become very big.
This is the soul food. You have to figure out the right pizza.
You've been to London now. You have to be in London.
London, I haven't.
You haven't.
If I was studying, I plan a lot of things, but unfortunately, I'm not getting it.
So London is a place.
यहाँ से ना फेस के पास लिखा है ना, तो यहाँ से मूव करना है ना। हाँ। Yeah, ready. Roll. इधर भी, इधर, या।
फुटबॉल देखना, फुटबॉल फाइनल है आज।
ठीक है।
राइट
कौन सी कैमरे पे देखो?
ये वाले का।
जिस पे लाइट जल रहा है, जिस पे लाइट, ये मेन है।
लाइट चल रही है, ये देखो। लाइट पूरी दुनिया में चल रही है, हालांकि कैमरा यहाँ है।
आप आ जाओ।
नाइट में लाइट की जरूरत पड़ती है।
तारीफ मत।
ये नाइट नहीं है भाई।
तो क्या चाहिए? मजाक कर रही हो। हो गया?
My daughter will take a picture.
Oh.
Sorry. Come, Nicole, let me come. Take a picture.
You know something that I've been doing. I've been just very excited. It was so easier.
One second. Look here. Okay.
बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट दिखा रहा है।
नाइस प्रोफाइल।
हाँ।
Yep. Yeah, this is the main camera.
हम कौन है भाई?
The annual meet in Corona, that's all. Jan 26, 29.
But only EGS or all bikes?
You are welcome with anything.
Okay,
With the bike, without bike also you will.
I ride a 230, CRA 230, so that's easy for me. That's
I will arrange your bike also if you want. Then the training is off-road training.
but I come to do it on my off-road bike.
You have off-road bike.
I ride a CRA 230. And it's perfect for me. The weight, everything is good. I was actually looking for a trainer because I don't know what I was planning to do in between couple of years back. Then I had a friend who was Delhi, who was in Bangalore. Decided thought of going and getting trained there, but it didn't work
So
out.
I have my place at Kanwar also, where we do
Oh, that's so easy.
in Euro Park, it's called Euro Park. We have a I need to change pose. Otherwise, same pose in all the pictures. Okay, thank you, thank you. What do you have first? Let me get you a wine.
Yeah, roll. Okay, so firstly, what would you like to say about this amazing place, Jewelry Salon?
Hi guys, I'm here at the launch of Glory Nails, Hair and Beauty Salon. It's their 4th branch, and Lina and Teresa. I mean, it's a wonderful combination. It's like when a branch grows, it's a beautiful thing. It's a lovely combination. I'm sure this team rocks. It's a beautiful salon set up very nicely, and I'm gonna be taking some services here for sure.
For a girl, how nail is important, a nail game, how it is important for a girl.
For a girl, her hands and nails are super important. I sometimes don't really take care of it. Me being a biker and me being into sports, they get a little neglected. But my friends here, they keep pushing me, please take care of your nails, take care of your hands. This happens very often. So today I was especially very excited to meet Lina and Teresa. And when women come up together, I'm like super excited. And when they, it's like more women empowerment. And when they empower different women and more other women, it's more inspiring for me and for everybody else as well. So I had to be here to support them.
And क्रिसमस भी आने वाली है, नए साल की भी शुरुआत होने वाली है. कोई आपके क्रिसमस या न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन ऐसा कुछ जिसे डिसाइड किया?
मैं आपको सच बताती हूँ, रेजोल्यूशंस तो मैं करती नहीं हूँ. एंड आई एम अ पर्सन हु ट्रस्ट एग्जिस्टेंस एंड आई वेलकम दैट्स कमिंग टू मी. जिस साल मैं बहुत सारे रेजोल्यूशंस करती हूँ और ये चाहिए करूँगी वो करूँगी, कुछ नहीं होता है. कुछ और होता है जो कि उससे भी बेटर होता है. सो आई जस्ट ट्रस्ट एग्जिस्टेंस एंड इट गिव्स मी मोर देन व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्ट.
And Big Boss की मैं बात करूँ, शिव ठाकरे is playing really well, and we all know that you are a friend of Shiv ठाकरे. What would you like to say about his game?
See, the first time I met Shiv was when he was in Big Boss Marathi season 2, and I went inside the house. I wanted to. He's a beautiful human being, and he's very fair. He's very straight. He knows there's no two things about मन में कुछ है, कुछ और बोलना है, कुछ और गेम खेलना है. So as a human being, I just love him, and he's pretty much balanced compared to the others. I love balanced people, and I love the way he's playing, and it's not easy. I mean, I've been in Big Boss, so I know how it is. So it is not easy. It's very taxing. It's emotionally, mentally very triggering, and that's what the whole game is all about. They trigger you from all possible ways, and how you still be composed, still take your decisions, and still play properly. And Shiv is doing a great job, and I'm really wanting him to win.
Do you think the same game he's playing where he was playing in Marathi Big Boss?
No, actually his game has changed for sure, and he's playing better. See, with every reality show you learn a lot and you improve, And reality shows, not this, but any reality show that anybody would do, you always push your limits. So for a contestant in any reality show, you tend to discover a lot of things that you're not aware of yourself. I've done around 3 to 4 shows, different kinds of shows, biking related, car related, Big Boss, something else related. So every show has actually pushed me, surprised me and shocked me with what I could do. I could never in my dreams think of things that I could do and have managed to do on that show. And similarly, Shiv has grown from the first show and now he's doing much more better. So again, I just want him to win. Shiv, please get the trophy home.
Coming back to this place, what would you like to say about the ambience? And सबसे पहले आप क्या कराना चाहोगे? Nail?
मैं तो नेल्स नहीं मैं पहले तो नेल्स कराना चाहूँगी क्योंकि मेरे सारे दोस्त जो है ना वो बहुत मुझे दे कीप ट्रबलिंग मी, दे कीप बुलिंग मी बिकॉज ऑफ माई नेल्स एंड मैंने तो सोचा आज मैं पहले हाथ I don't want to show my hands right now.
But your friend did. Would you like to take some suggestion from her?
Well, so I'm doing my nails, and have you done yours?
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, I am. And they keep you. I don't want to even show my hands right now. छुपा रही हूँ. Exactly, we don't have nails. हम वैसे ही gloves में वैसे ही हम gloves पहनते हैं लेकिन gloves में टूट जाते हैं नाखून. इतना ही नहीं nail polish तो कहाँ से कहाँ निकल जाता है पता नहीं चलता. So all that happens. But apart from that, I must tell that this place is very very well. It is not overly done, but it is like very. I think it's very positive.
Yeah, we try to keep it very simple.
No, but that is, I think that's the best thing to do because white is a color which. I think white is a color which I really fancy a lot. My house is all white and I have little bit of green, and I see that little bit of green. It feels like, and it gives a lot of positive. It keeps a lot of energy very positive. When you crowd the place with a lot of things. It tends to
takes away from it.
Yes, it takes away. It kind of the whole energy. I mean, I feel every day there should be nice, fresh energy coming in and out. It should feel fresh. I think too much thing is to this thing. I'm not in for it. I like it simple, and my house is simple like this, and I love it. I love the way you've done it out.
Thank you, thank you.
And I think you have. I think you have like one side. You have all the hair on one side. You have all the nails on one side.
Yeah, this is
and
the hair section.
Exactly, and I'm sure it's going to be great. I'm just too excited and looking forward.
Thank you, thank you. Thanks for coming in. Yeah.
My pleasure, and I wish you all the very best. All the best to Lina and Teresa as well. And may this women let these empower more women and let them have. I pray to God that they have more such branches coming up.
Thank you so much. Yes.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Great place, sir.
Thank you.